Welcome to Infomedia. Please subscribe this channel for more videos. Don't forget to see this video full. American Constitution. In this video, I have explained about the American Constitution. Constitution is the basic law of a country. Father of American Constitution known as James Madison. American Constitution came into force in 1789. American Constitution has only 7 articles. It has been amended in 27 times. A first 10 amendments collectively known as Bill of Rights. Indian Constitution adopted fundamental rights from Bill of Rights. American Constitution is the shortest and the oldest written constitution in the world. Not forget it, remember it. American Constitution is the shortest and the oldest written constitution in the world. Constitution can be divided into two, written and unwritten. All the constitution in the world can be divided into written and unwritten. Written constitution. We will discuss about what is the peculiarities of the written constitution. A written constitution is one in which most of the basic principles are reduced to writing. It is the result of the conscious and deliberate thought of the people. A written constitution is otherwise known as enacted constitution. Next, unwritten constitution. An unwritten constitution is which most of the provisions are not in the written form. An unwritten constitution is not the result of conscious and deliberate effort of the people. It is called as evolved or cumulative constitution. Again, the constitution can be divided into two, rigid and flexible. Rigid constitution. A rigid constitution is one in which cannot be amended in the manner in which ordinary laws are passed. Special procedure is needed for its amendment. Example: USA, Canada, Switzerland, Japan, Australia. Flexible constitution. A flexible constitution is one which can be amended in the ordinary legislative procedure. There will not be any difference between constitutional law and ordinary law. Example: British Constitution. Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution is neither rigid nor flexible. It is partly rigid and partly flexible. It cannot be amended as easily as that of the British Constitution, and it is not as difficult as that of the US Constitution. Indian Constitution is the longest and the largest written constitution in the world. M.N. Roy was the first Indian to put forward the idea of the constitution for India. He expressed it through his newspaper Indian Patriot. Largest democracy in the world, India. The first democracy in the world, Greece. Which country is called as the cradle of democracy? Greece. Longest surviving democracy in the world, Britain. Land of modern democracy, Britain. Bible of the modern democracy, Social Contract, written by Rousseau. Home of direct democracy, Switzerland. This information are helpful for all the competitive exams. So please subscribe this channel and don't forget to see all the videos I have already uploaded here.